Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Creative Crochet Folks India. Today I have come up with the smallest motif, that is the half diamond motif that is required for the back cal. So I will be showing you that how to make it. To begin with, chain 4. This we are doing it with color A. Color A will be the one that you have used as color A in your particular other motifs. Yarn over and place a DC on the very first stitch. Tighten it so you have a circular space here. Or you can do, first you have to do the 2 DC cluster. So to do that, you can either chain 2 and do the 2 DC cluster, or place a standing DC, unfinished standing DC, and continue with the cluster. I am going to do that. To do that, I have just pulled up my loop a little high, twisting it, getting inside the circular place, yarn over, pull up and pull through these two. This is my half finished standing DC, yarn over, another incomplete DC we are going to do. This is the first cluster made. Then chain 2, make another cluster, yarn over, incomplete DC, again incomplete DC, and complete the cluster. And now we are going to have chain 4 space, that is going to be the top, that is going to be the top corner or the top end of this triangular motif. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then place another cluster, chain 2 and place another cluster, 2 DC cluster. So this completes our first semi round here, and we are going to work only on the right side of this motif, and so we have to begin with color B at this particular point. So we need to fasten this off. So yarn over, pull through once and then fasten off here. So this is first part done in this, for this semi-triangular, semi-diamond motif or triangular motif. You know, I've picked up my color B. This is the chain space, so we'll not join here, but I'll pick up my top of the DC here. This is it, yeah. Pull up a loop, slip stitch here, and you can either place a front post SC or, as given in the instructions, you can place an SC here on top of this cluster, then 2 SCs in 2 chain space, that makes 3 SCs, 1, 2 and 3. Then place one front post SC here, and in chain 4 space you are going to place 5 SCs. And then front post SC on this 2 SCs here in chain 2 space, and then finish off with front post SC on this cluster. And then you're going to fasten this yarn too. So this completes our second row or round, whatever you call it. It's not a round because we are doing only half the motif. So this is how it will appear. Don't worry, it will shape up right when we complete the third round. Pick up color A. Now you have 13 SCs here. So we will place 1 SC each on each of the 6 SCs, and in the middle SC we are going to make 3 SCs. And continue the other side. So insert and join with a slip stitch here, the very first SC. Alternatively, you can do a standing SC2 here. It's not going to make any difference. 1 SC I have placed, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here I am going to place 3 SCs. 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 SC on each of the SCs here. That will be 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 SCs, and then we will fasten this off. So it is done. Now you have to hide all these yarns, extra yarns, behind this half diamond motif, and get it ready for your bag. Thank you friends for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that any new video I upload, it gets into your inbox as notifications. Thank you friends.